Booking.com affiliate program registration tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to monetize your content or earn passive income online, affiliate marketing is a fantastic avenue. Today we're diving into the Booking.com affiliate program, a reputable and rewarding program for content creators, bloggers, and marketers. In this video, we'll cover what the Booking.com affiliate program is, how to sign up step by step, commission structure and payout details, tools and resources provided, and lastly, tips to maximize your earning. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And so, the first thing that we have to talk about is what is Booking.com affiliate program. Booking.com is one of the world's leading online travel agencies, offering a vast selection of accommodations, flights, and travel experiences with million users worldwide. It's a trusted platform for travelers. The Booking.com affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers or users to Booking.com, whether they travel or book a hotel, apartment, or any other accommodation. You can earn money through your unique affiliate link. And so, how to sign up with the affiliate program? The first thing that we have to do is to navigate through Booking.com affiliate program. Now you can just search this up on Google, and once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description. Now, inside the page, you can just click on the register button. Right after clicking on register, we will then be taken to the registration form of the affiliate program. So in here, we can simply register with CJ, or we can then register with Awen. Now with CJ, the country supported is going to be Europe with Austria, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Switzerland, United Kingdom, Benelux, Eastern Europe, Nordic countries, and Middle East. Now in my case, I'm going to choose Awen right here with countries like Australia, Brazil, Latin America, North America, and Asia Pacific. So just click on the preferred affiliate network. Once again, in my case, it's going to be the other region. And simply right after that, we then have to create our account with Awen. As you can see, we can join the Booking.com affiliate program by clicking on the Join Today button. From here, we then have the Booking.com affiliate programs. You have North America, you have Brazil, LATAM, you have APAC, and lastly, Australia. In my case, I'm going to be doing this tutorial from the Booking.com North America. Simply once inside, it will then take you to the overview or the terms and agreements of Booking.com affiliate program. We also have the program terms right here. So you want to make sure that you have to understand everything that is stated on the agreement. And so, once again, you want to make sure that you have read everything on the page right here. And so simply inside this page, you don't need to go ahead and submit your information before getting approved, but simply once inside, if you scroll down under the general page, you can then go ahead and see your unique affiliate link. So in my case, it's going to be inside the important notes for affiliate. In here, you then have the default tracking link. So you can just go ahead and copy this link right here and promote it the way you want to. So I'll just go ahead and try this link out. And as you can see, it will then take us to the main page of Booking.com, where now people could go ahead and use the website freely. And when they do, Booking.com will try to give you the commission rate or the percentage of the total price of that specific customer. And so let's go ahead and talk about the commission structure and payout details of Booking.com. Booking.com offers a comprehensive or competitive commission structure. The commission rate earns up to 25% of the Booking.com's commission on each booking made through your affiliate link. Note that this percentage of Booking.com's commission, not the total booking value. The cookie duration is going to be 30 days. This means that if someone clicks your affiliate link and makes a booking within 30 days, you'll still earn the commission. The payout methods are typically made via bank transfers or PayPal depending on your location. So you can just go ahead and once again make sure that you have read terms and agreements. The payout frequency is going to be monthly payouts with a minimum threshold, making it accessible for affiliates at all levels. And so, depending on the booking affiliate website that you have chosen, once inside your dashboard, you will then go ahead and get your unique affiliate links. In my case, it's going to be Awin. So the dashboard is very simple, and we will go ahead and get our affiliate link straight away. Now, on the other page or websites, you will then go ahead and get the banners and widgets, visually appealing creatives to go ahead and place on your websites or blogs that you will go ahead and promote for booking.com. You will also get search boxes. It's integrated with the booking.com search functionality into your website if you have one. So it will simply look something like this. And lastly, we then have the performance reports. You can monitor clicks, bookings, and commissions in real time. Now, these tools are designed to help you effectively promote booking.com and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. Now, let's also talk about some tips to maximize your affiliate earnings. One is you want to target specific audiences. You want to focus on groups like travelers, tourists, and business professionals who can benefit most from booking.com services. You want to create a valuable content. You can develop blog posts, travel guides, and reviews that highlight booking.com's features and benefits. You want to also leverage into multiple platforms. You can promote your affiliate links across various channels, including your website, YouTube, social media, and email newsletter. And you also want to offer incentives. You can provide exclusive deals to travel tips to encourage booking through your affiliate link. You can utilize SEO strategies. You want to optimize your content with relevant keywords to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Now, by implementing these strategies, you can increase your reach and boost your affiliate earnings. Lastly, for once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so you could just go ahead and check them out. And that's a wrap on our comprehensive guide for booking.com affiliate program. We've covered everything from what the program is, how to sign up, the commission details, tools available, and tips to maximize your earnings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't have or you will not miss any future videos. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with booking.com affiliate program, you can just drop a comment below. We'd love to hear it from you. Thanks for watching and happy affiliating.